Hello, today I'm gonna be working on this car, not that car. I'm gonna make the seats in this as comfortable as that. Well, not comfortable, but not miserable, I guess. I want my cars to do everything, but that means it's not gonna succeed at doing anything because it's focusing on a bunch of things. So I'm trying to narrow my focus just a bit more, and the first step for that is to change these seats. Let me show you why. I welded these seat brackets from Home Depot materials for the first time ever welding anything. But the seat is positioned at a very uncomfortable position where you're basically sitting on the seat and in the seat. And the fact that the seat is a fixed back, it's a bucket seat, that means it doesn't recline, does not help the case. It's very uncomfortable, it's been hurting my back. I've tried doing some sort of cushion for my lower back. We need to fix it the right way. But on the other hand, this car has a way more comfortable seat where the back is adjustable, so it reclines and declines, and it's very low to the ground, inclined way more. You sit in the seat. So the goal is to get it a little lower and recline it. All right, let's take these bolts off. So this is under the seat. We have a bar, pretty much square stocks forming a square, and these two front and back of the seat are stacked on top of these just so it gives it clearance. But the back does not need this square, so what I should have done, ditch this square and lower the back so the seat, instead of sitting like this, it sits like this. This whole setup, passenger and driver, cost me 120 materials. Not that bad at all. This is like 2019, by the way, and this is the first thing I ever welded, like I said. Game plan is drill these holes lower, bring it down, hopefully, but I don't think it's that simple. What I would do now is cut this piece out, bring it down where it's not stacked on top, it's just going across. Typical fashion, I had to call Carlos because we need welding done.
Gotcha, dude. Last minute, but we got it.
Last minute, that's why he always comes so clutch, dude. Oh my god. So for now, we're gonna cut this back here and then decide what to do. No way she did that. Oh, it's empty. I didn't know she can do that. Pretty much. Obviously, we have a height difference now, and that's what we wanted. Because the seat sits back, reclines back, just like that. And that is gonna make it just a bit more comfortable. So this is done. Shoutouts. So the rear is significantly lower now. It's kind of hard to tell on the camera, and the seat, because you drop the back, it's not gonna just go down, it's gonna go like this. Woo! That was hot. So I'm gonna have Carlos try the passenger and then try the driver. I mean, you probably can't tell, but
Oh my god. Okay.
you're pretty like, yeah.
This is very, bro, I have no headroom.
Yeah, this is very high too. I mean, the other car,
Just
night and
forward.
night and day.
Okay.
It's pretty lean forward, yes. Okay, so
It's
he can
hard to get
tell.
out.
He can tell. Just squat.
Bro, this is amazing. You're even lower too. Like.
Yeah, that's actually really good. Cause
Look.
yeah. I mean, you can low-key tell.
Yeah.
But,
Hey, the steering wheel's too high now.
That's what I was worrying about. If it comes too low, then I have to do the whole steering wheel thing that I did on my other
Spacers and
one.
all.
So annoying.
Yeah, steering wheel's high. I gotta look over it.
God damn it. This is the angle.
Yeah.
You can tell how much you want.
I want to say it's a 3-inch difference, but maybe 2.
I mean, 3 inches is a lot.
It's-
It can change someone's life. 3 inch?
That's all I'm asking for.
That's all I ever needed, bro. So much better. Actually leaning back, sitting in the car, not on top of the car. Let's put that in that car, put this in this car. This should work. Everything should work, hopefully.